Hey everyone, welcome back to Wajid Tech Talk, your go-to place for honest and simple tech reviews. Today we're checking out Samsung's latest budget phone, the Galaxy A07 4G. It's priced at around $70, making it one of the most affordable Samsung phones of 2025. But is it worth your money? Let's find out. Design and build. Right off the bat, the Galaxy A07 has a clean and simple design. It's made of plastic, but feels solid in the hand. The matte finish with subtle stripe texture adds a nice touch, and it doesn't attract fingerprints easily. And guess what? Samsung finally added IP54 dust and splash protection, which means it can handle light rain or a bit of dust without worry. Pretty good for a low-budget phone. Display. The phone comes with a 6.7-inch LCD display offering a 90 Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling and animations. Sure, it's only 720p resolution, so it's not the sharpest screen out there, and brightness isn't great outdoors, but for this price, it gets the job done. If you mainly use your phone for social media, YouTube, or light gaming, it'll feel perfectly fine. Camera. On the back, there's a 50-megapixel main camera with a depth sensor. Photos in daylight are decent, detailed enough with okay colors, but don't expect flagship-level quality. In low light, the auto night mode helps reduce noise, though the pictures still look a little soft. The selfie camera is fine for social media, with natural colors but limited detail. Video recording is capped at 1080p and there's no stabilization, so handheld videos might be a bit shaky. Performance. Powering the Galaxy A07 is the MediaTek Helio G99, a reliable 4G chipset that offers noticeably better performance than last year's A06. Apps open faster, multitasking feels smoother, and the overall experience is decent for daily use. It comes with 4 GB of RAM, but I'd recommend getting a higher RAM version if you plan to keep it long-term. Storage options go up to 256 GB, and yes, you still get a dedicated micro SD card slot for expansion. Software and updates. The phone runs on Android 15 with One UI 7 on top. It's clean, simple, and easy to navigate. The best part? Samsung promises 6 major Android updates for this phone, which is absolutely amazing at this price point. That means your A07 will stay up to date for years to come. Battery and charging. You get a 5,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of use, around 12 to 13 hours of screen-on time, depending on your usage. It supports 25-watt fast charging, but you'll need to buy the charger separately. With a 25-watt adapter, you can charge from 0 to 43% in half an hour, and a full charge takes about an hour and a half. Final verdict. So, should you buy the Galaxy A07 4G? Honestly, if you're on a tight budget, this phone is a great deal. You get a smooth 90 Hz display, solid battery life, good performance for daily tasks, and years of software support, all in a reliable Samsung package. Sure, it's not super bright, the camera is basic, and there's no 5G, but for the price, it's hard to complain. If you're looking for a simple, dependable phone or a backup device, the Galaxy A07 4G is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Wajid Tech Talk, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.